Get ready to level up with Gadget Explained. The LeadJoy M1B, the ultimate savior of iPhone gaming in a world overwhelmed by touchscreen games. This meticulously crafted marvel will revive your gaming sessions, delivering an unparalleled level of excitement. Say goodbye to tired thumbs and welcome an unparalleled gaming experience. In this review, we'll delve into the design, build quality, button functionality, compatibility, and gaming experience of the LeadJoy M1B. Resembling the iconic Nintendo Switch layout, this mobile game controller features 2 analog thumbsticks, 8 buttons, and a clicky plastic D-pad with a center pivot to prevent accidental inputs. The buttons boast clicky mechanical switches and are made of durable plastic. With grip handles on its sides connected by a spring-loaded telescopic arm, the LeadJoy M1B securely cradles your phone, allowing for comfortable gameplay without strain. Crafted from lightweight matte black plastic, weighing just 140 grams, it fits snugly in your hands, ensuring a secure grip during marathon gaming sessions. The right grip handle features a recessed USB-C pass-through charging port for convenient charging while gaming. The LeadJoy M1B showcases an ABXY button layout, precise rubberized thumbsticks with a textured ring, and additional buttons like menu, capture, options, home, triggers, and shoulder buttons. The shoulder buttons provide a subtle click response, while the triggers emit a satisfying ticking-like noise when pressed. In terms of compatibility, the LeadJoy M1B supports iPhones running iOS 13 and above, making it accessible to a wide range of devices. It connects to your iPhone via Lightning connection, eliminating the need for Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Moreover, it extends its compatibility to PC and game console gaming, supporting popular platforms like the Steam Link app, Game Pass, Rainway, GeForce Now, Boosteroid, and even 3DS emulator games. To access the 3DS Simulator app download link, simply click and proceed to download Test Flight. Now the sound button test, followed by unboxing and user guide.